Hi, today we are going to learn how to make a regular sale. In Wintix, go up to Sales, Regular Sale, and the Selling a Ticket window appears. All of your shows for sale are going to be on the left, and the performances of each of those shows will be on the right. Today, our customers want to buy a couple of tickets to Breakfast with Tiffany. You can see that once I've selected that, all of the performances appear in the right window. They want 2 tickets to October 24th, so we'll highlight that and click on the Select the Seats tab. This brings up the seating plan. Now, if you are doing general admission tickets, you will just choose the number of seats rather than a particular seat. In this case, with reserved tickets, when you click on a seat, down here you can see that it's in row A, seat number 33, and it's in the left section. Here are all the price codes that may be available. But we can't remember which one is which, so we're going to click on the price button, and in this particular case, our customer wants to buy an adult and a senior ticket. So we can see the price category A is adult and price category B is a senior. So those are the letters that we will need to input. I'm going to click A, there's my adult seat. B, there is my senior seat. You can see down here, I've now selected 2 seats. We're okay with that, so we're going to click OK. This brings up the payment window. As you can see on the left-hand side, we've got the prices for each with a total down here, and they still owe $45 a total. At this point, you can choose to do all kinds of things like add a donation, add sales items if you have things for sale like merchandise or parking passes, things like that. You can also choose which pay type that they are going to use. In our case, they are going to use a check. So 3234, that is the number of their check, and I'm going to put that in there so we have a record. Now you can see they've paid a total of $45 and they owe nothing. So now it's time to go to the Sales Summary tab. I have to put in the name of the clerk, which is me. And you can see there is no name associated with this sale yet. So I'm going to go ahead and look up a customer. And I start typing in D-I-L-L. Well, there I am, Peggy Dillon. I'm going to sell myself that ticket. So if I double click on it, I get to my customer information window. And that's exactly who I am. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to click Use this information. Now my name is attached to the sale. All we have to do from here is just make sure that we've got the correct seats and the correct show and the correct performance and the correct person. Once you click the Complete the Sale button, a Printing Tickets window will come up and ask you how you want to print the tickets, if at all. We're going to choose to print the tickets later. And it takes me to another window that tells me what I can do next. I can sell to the same person with a different show, a different person to the same show, a different person to the different show, or exit to the main menu, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. There you have it. We just sold a regular ticket.